initially we have created our app here, and this app is called task, and our main project is CRUD app. So let's go ahead and make sure that we register this app inside our settings. So in settings here, let's just put it as task. Okay, and after registering this app, we also have to add the URLs of this app inside here. But initially, we want to create a new file called URLs inside our task, so that we can actually link the URLs our task straight into the CRUD app, our main app. So let's create urls.py inside here. And in this, we are going to import from Django.urls. We are going to import a path here. Okay. After importing path, we are going to use URL patterns, and is called to open this. We put a path here. Okay, so in this file, we are going to define something like this, but initially we don't have anything, but we have created this urls.py inside task. So we are going to link this file directly in our CRUD main app here. So let's go ahead inside URLs and put a path here. But before, we have to import the include function so that we can include these URLs inside the task URLs inside our main app. So we can put it as an empty string, and here we can write include to include the file's URL, and we can say task.urls because we have defined this file. If we had just tried to implement this, it was going to throw an error inside our terminal, as you can see now. Okay, because the path inside this task URLs is not defined yet. So there are no URL patterns inside there. So what we are going to do simply is to start by defining a function inside our views in this task app here. So we are going to define a function here, and what you want to define is simply, so let's say from django.http import http response here, response, and want to define a function that say hello, as you have done in the previous, and this say hello takes a request as a parameter, and after taking it is going to print hello world. Okay, so instead of printing, let's just return a HTTP response here of hello world. Hello world, and that's it. So inside our URLs, let's close this views and these URLs of CRUD app and the settings. What we want to do is to import the views. So from the current folder, import views here. After importing views, we are going to put the URL patterns here, excuse me, and assign it to this list of URL patterns. So a path, and let's leave it empty like this, and we are going to call the views dot say hello function here and put a comma, something like this. Save again. Let's see if it reloads successfully. Okay, you can see now it successfully reloaded our server here, and we can go ahead and open this URL inside the browser, and we expect to see hello world. So this is the hello world which was returned from our function or our backend here. Okay, this is the function inside the views.py of task app. So this is how you can do to link an application to the main app. So this is a modular app, the task app. We have linked it to the main CRUD application. Okay,